Okay, class 10. This is our part 2 video from exercise 15.1 and today we start from the question number 6. See in this question. In the given figure, O is the circle of center. Here is a center and PBA is equals to 42 degree. Calculate the value of PQB. That means calculate this one. Okay. So how to calculate this angle? First of all, in triangle PAB, angle PBA equals to 42 given, okay, and this one is 90, angle APB equals to 90 degree. How? Because this is the diameter and angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So the reason is angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, so angle PAB, that means this one how? 180 minus 90 plus 42. Okay, so 180 minus 180 32, that is 48. So this one is 48. When this one is 48, this one is also 48, because see, angle in the same segment M is created here, okay, with the same base PB. So angle PAB is equals to angle PQB is equals to 48. Okay, reason angle in same segment are equal. Okay, note it down. Okay, it's time for question number 7. See, in question number 7, in this given figure, AB is the diameter of circle ABPAPBR, okay, and APQ and BPQ are straight line. APQ and RBQ, this is RBQ, okay, RBQ are straight line. Angle A equals to 35, angle Q equals to 25. Find PRB and PBR and BPR. Okay, that means these three angles are created. So the first one is, this one is 35, this one is also 35. First one is join PB. Okay, join PB. So see, angle PAB and angle PRB is equals to same, that means 35. Angle PAB, angle PRB equals to 35. Reason, angle in the same segment, see, M shape is creating here, okay, with the same base PB. Done. So reason is angle in same segment. Okay, done. This is time for find, this is 35 and two more angles are need to find. It's PBR and BPR. Okay, so first of all we find this one. In triangle ABQ, see, ABQ, okay, in triangle ABQ, see, in triangle ABQ, angle A is 35, this one is 25. ABQ, this one is 35, this one 25. So angle ABQ is angle ABQ equals to 180. Sum of all the angle of a triangle is 180. So angle ABQ is equals to 180 minus 60 is equals to 120. That means this whole portion is 120. This whole one. Okay. But you see that this angle is only 90 because angle APB is 90 here. You see na? Angle APB. इसको यहीं पे ड्रॉप कर देते हैं हम लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए. See, because AB is the diameter, so angle APB is 90 degree. Angle APB equals to 90 degree. Angle in semicircle is 90 degree. That means this one is 90. Okay, this one is 90 degree. So in triangle APB, in triangle APB, see this one is 35, this one is 90, see this one is 35, this one is 90. Okay, so angle PBR, angle PBA okay, angle PBA, and again I see, you see PBA in triangle APB, this angle is given, this angle is given, so angle PBA, this one, sum of total is 180, so angle PBA is equals to 180 minus 90 minus 35. Okay, yeah, that means 190 minus 125, and it's 55. That means from 120 this portion carry 55. Okay, so this one is how much? Which one? Angle ABR, angle ABR, angle ABR. We know that RBQ is a straight line, so 120 plus this angle equals to 180. So एंगल ABQ जो हम लोग 120 निकाले हुए थे, एंगल ABQ प्लस एंगल ABR is equals to 180 degree. Reason is straight line. So 180 and value of ABQ is 120. So the ABR value is 60 degree. Okay, angle ABR equals to 60 degree. That means this is 60 degree. So PBR or PBR, this 55 plus 60. Okay, therefore angle PBR equals to 55 plus 60, it's 115. Done. So PBR is also fine. It's time for the BPR. So in triangle BPR, this one is 35. Okay, this one is 35, this full one, this full portion is 115. That means angle PBR is 115. So the left is RPB equals to 180. Okay, done. In this triangle, again I repeat, in triangle BPR, this one is given, this one is given also, 60 plus 55. It's time for P. Okay, so RPB equals to, this is 140, 150 plus angle BPR equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle BPR equals to 180 minus 150, so 30. So angle PRB, the first one is 35, angle PBR equals to 115, and angle BPR equals to 30 degree. Okay, note it down. Okay, it's time for question number 9. See, in question number 9, in the given figure, chord ED parallel to diameter AC of the circle, angle CBE 65 is given. Calculate DEC. That means calculate this angle. Okay, so first one, angle CBE and angle CAE equal, angle in the same segment. That means this is also 65. Okay, with the same base, the angle CBE equals to angle CAE equals to 65. Angle in same segment. Done. Okay, so in triangle AEC, in this angle, this one 65, this one is 90, because AC is the diameter, so angle in a semicircle 90 degree. So angle AEC equals to 90 degree. Reason, angle in a semicircle. Okay, so in this angle 65 plus 90, angle ACE equals to 180 degree. Sum of all angle of a triangle is 180. So 155 plus angle ACE equals to 180. Therefore angle ACE equals to 180 minus 155, it's 25. Okay, So this one is 25. See, this one parallel. So that means forming Z shape, this is alternate interior angles are equal. When two lines are parallel and forming Z shape, that is alternate interior angles are equal. So therefore, angle DEC equals to 25. Reason, alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, note. Okay, it's time for question number 14a. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with the center O, and AC and BD are the perpendicular line on PQ. Okay, so BD meets the circle at E. Prove that the line AC and line ED is equal. Okay, so first of all we join this one. Okay, join AE. Okay, see, in triangle AEB, angle AEB is equals to 90 degree, because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Okay, so angle DEA, what, this is also 90 degree, क्योंकि ये 90 और 90 प्लस 180 तब तो स्ट्रेट लाइन हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स 180 माइनस 90, क्योंकि ये 90 ऑलरेडी हम लोग प्रूफ कर चुके हुए हैं. रीजन, स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो 90. सो सी, इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल AEDC, हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल कह रहे हैं बिकॉज वी डोंट नो दिस इज अ स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल, कुछ भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि 90 करके सब ईच कॉर्नर उसके स्क्वायर के भी होते हैं एंड रेक्टेंगल ऑल्सो. So in this quadrilateral AEDC, if three sides is 90, that means fourth one is also 90. Okay, in quad AEDC, this one is 90, this one is 90, this one is 90. That means 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus this angle CAE equals to 360, because sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Therefore, angle CAE equals to 360 minus 270. It's what? 90. So this one is 90. So all the angles of a quadrilateral is 90. This is all square also, rectangle, whatever it is, जो भी हो. लेकिन अगर स्क्वायर भी है तो all sides are equal. That means AC equals to D is equal. और अगर रेक्टेंगल भी होगा तो भी opposite sides are equal. So therefore CA, that means therefore AC equals to DE. Done? Okay, note it down.